Annyeonghaseyo. So this is the prescription given by the doctor, and she says we need to have a laboratory for her sugar. So we have to go to the hospital for laboratory tomorrow, and we have to fasting before so tomorrow morning we will have laboratory, but before we have to have fasting. Dili ka makaon.
Dili ka. Fasting.
Tomorrow, okay. This is the vitamins that prescribed by the doctor. The multivitamins plus iron, 3 tabs, good for 1 month, 30 pieces. And this is ATC, same as omega-3. Because omega-3 is out of stock. Three pharmacy we had buy, but no omega-3, and the doctor said ATC is the same as omega-3. That's why ATC we buy ATC. Okay? Tomorrow adto ta ha? In the morning. Okay.
Nam shake cups.
Namjang kapshning.
Kapshnim kamsamida.
Balik.
Namjang kapshnim kamsamida. For my vitamins.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ay, Leo. Nasa diri ang katsara.
Ayaw, nagdako ka din naman sa tawag.
Ang ka na, sakla.
Salam, daun samida.
White and blue. Yeah. Yakult.
Yakult. Kaya sa dito lang dapit sa kuan. Cashier ang Yakult.
La.
Kinain niyo nga sa'yo. Ikaw. It's Shami's brother. And the stairs is already repaired. And now we already arrived. Came from the market buying some items. And this is the items we buy. The groceries, the brown rice, the Yakult, the plates, spoons, glass, and the tofu, rice wrapper, and the Orocan, and the what's the name? Dish organizer. Di na, pwede maablihan.
Mabiyag pa ito siya.
Ay, nga na. Ay, ano na yung gikaan? Lami?
Dali.
Dong? Ikaw? Happy? Happy mo? Oh, sige. Okay, kinsa naghatag, ani? Oh, sige. Dungan ha.
Amagatumi kamsamida. Balik. Sige. Ada, kami ang ulo. Kana mahigda. Awa jay ra malata gitarong diha ron. Ako ba sila uy?
Okay. We already arrived from the market and this is the items we buy. The Orocan and the dish organizer. The rice cooker. And the plates, the spoons. So the food, the groceries. And so are you happy, guys?
Yes, I'm happy.
Now sa happy bit. Ikaw ba happy ka? Ha?
Yes.
Unsa may gibati nga palitan mo ani? Ha?
Oh, daghang salamat sa talan nga na-exporta sa mga
Okay. Nya dili na to mausap sa una ha. Promise ka?
tawis.
Ah. Anya. Ikaw unsa may feeling? Ha?
Happy.
Very happy. Okay nga. Unsa ato ikasulti?
Amagatonim kamsamida.
Balik.
Amagatonim kamsamida.
Okay. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.